So I wanted an opportunity for my students to be able to participate in language activities and not just read the book. I wanted them to be able to interact with the book, but also participate in all the other parts of literacy that they typically don't get to. Feel his wings? Oh, they're so soft.
What do you feel?
Oh, what are those? My hope with this literacy grant was to provide an opportunity for them to read the books by having all of our books brailled, and then having some kind of interactive activity where they could answer questions about the book with the textured characters, and then have a fun interactive game to end the activity. That way, every kid with every type of ability could participate in the literacy activity, no matter what their skills are. It's so soft. It is so soft, you're right. While literacy is really important, it's important for my students to know what it is to be in the role of a student. And so if I can teach them in my sessions and work on all the other goals of what it is to be a student, then they can take those skills into the classroom and participate more and have more access to their general education classroom. So the reason that this is really important to me is I want people to realize that kids with special needs, we're not a place in our building, we're not a program, we're part of the bigger community. And allowing my kids to learn the skills they need to be a part of that bigger community, and teaching kids in general ed what it means to accept everyone in our community is so important to me. We're not a place, we're not a classroom, we're not a program, we're part of your community, and we deserve to be there. Get ready. Nice, good job. Thank you, PSD Foundation, for this impact grant. This allows my students to not only reach their literacy goals, but also participate in opportunities within their special education classroom and the general education environment. Without this grant, we wouldn't have had this opportunity. What does a horse say? Neigh. Neigh.